Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all keeping yourself safe by keeping yourself at home. Now, in this lockdown period, it is very important that we take care of ourselves and the members of our family. You have all the precautions told by the news every day, and you must be following them. Now today I'll be taking up the second chapter from your first flight book, which is A Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela. Who was Nelson Mandela? His full name was Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. He was born on 18th July 1918 and he died on 5th December 2013. Now, Nelson Mandela, whenever we hear this name, we can think of many freedom fighters, not only of India but also of the world, who have really fought for their people. Similarly, Nelson Mandela was a social rights activist, a politician, and a philanthropist. When I say philanthropist, I hope some of you may be knowing the meaning. Philanthropist means a lover of mankind, a lover of all the human beings. And the opposite is misanthropist, one who hates mankind. Now this book is an autobiography. The Long Walk to Freedom is the name of his autobiography. And you know that autobiography is a book or a life history written by a person himself. So in this autobiography, he has described his early life, his education, his youth time, and his struggles to abolish or end the apartheid that was being followed in his country, South Africa. Nelson Mandela is the first black president of South Africa. Black, when I say black, you must have understood. Black belong to one race, whites belong to another race. Therefore, Nelson Mandela was known as a person who was anti-racist and anti-apartheid. Now, what is apartheid? It was a government policy being followed by the National Party in South Africa, and due to this there was a discrimination, a segregation made between the whites and blacks, and the black South African people who were dark skinned, who were black, who belonged to a different race, they were denied all the rights. They were not given the equal rights, be it social or political, and therefore there was social unrest, there was political unrest. This system of apartheid gave rise to riots, civil disobedience, and a rebellion started in South Africa. Nelson Mandela belonged to ANC, that is African National Congress. He was associated with the youth league of this ANC, ANCYL, that is African National Congress Youth League. And therefore, once when he says when he was a youth, he was thinking of his family, he was thinking of his own freedom, he was worried and anxious about the condition of his family. At that very moment he thought that there are so many people like him in his country who want freedom from apartheid. And therefore his struggle started from there. My dear children, let me tell you that he was imprisoned for 30 years. 30 years is a big long time. You know, in this lockdown period during the pandemic of COVID-19, we are unable to stay in our houses for even 15 days or 1 month or so. Some people are becoming restless, they want to go out. But the success story of Nelson Mandela lies on his 3 basic qualities, namely positivity, secondly perseverance, and thirdly patience. He had all the other qualities also. I don't say that these are the 3 qualities only which are the basis of getting or achieving success. No, there are other qualities also. You have to be a human being first. You have to have emotions and sentiments for the people. As I told you, he was a philanthropist. He loved mankind. He was worried about everybody, and therefore he struggled for all of them. He was selfless person. He was humble. He was polite. Besides all the other good qualities in him, his success in abolishing and ending apartheid in his country was due to positive thinking and perseverance. Perseverance means doing something and not giving it up despite all the difficulties. So however many difficulties and hurdles come in your life, you should not give it up. You should have that hope. And therefore they all are linked, you can see. Positivity, if you have positive thinking, you will certainly be, you will have this quality of perseverance. And then patience is also very important. Patience has to be added into this. So positivity, positive thinking, perseverance and patience. These are the foundation stones for achieving success in life. Nowadays, you see, we don't have patience. We lack in patience, and therefore it is very important to read about such inspirational lives who inspire you to do great things in your life. You know what? You must have heard this. Great men don't do different things. They do things differently. They also are like us. They do the same thing in a different manner. They have a different thinking altogether. So the main theme, children, of this chapter is the ending of apartheid in South Africa, and the chapter is about the inauguration when he was to take an oath as the first black president. And we are also going to read about what happened at that inauguration, how that inauguration day was so important for him or for the people of South Africa. So all this we will read in this chapter, and in my next video you can see that how Nelson Mandela struggled in his life and how he finally achieved success in his life. Thank you.